Hey, what's happening, guys? Donnie here from Big Drone Flyer 77 RC. Hey, today I just wanted to say hello to everybody and let you know that we're still kicking over here in Davis, California. I'm over by Sacramento and, you know, still doing the stay home quarantine right now. They got all the parks taped off and all you can do is go on some walks. But I got my home project here. I got the Traxxas X-Maxx. This is the 8S version, and I got this thing for dirt cheap. It didn't come with the regular tires. It does have the paddle tires on it. That's something I can get later on. This thing is definitely taking it a beating. You know, it is not brand new, but this is some of the stuff I'm going to be working on, you guys. So I got a motor and ESC coming. It's on the way. Got this actually at the local pawn shop. The guy had it for like 4 or 5 months. They ended up taking this guy out, and I don't know if they put a wrong battery in it or what, but they just totally fried the electronics on this guy. Sorry for this not being so bright in here. I'll try to lighten it up in post-production because I'm in my room right now, you guys. So anyways, this guy was all burnt up. I went ahead and pulled the ESC and motor out. So a new one is coming. I went ahead and went with the original motor, so I will be getting the original motor. New fan setup. They got this so hot it melted into the casing, so, and then they clipped the wires, I guess. So but I got a new fan. I'm just gonna pop this off. May have to get a new heat sensor, so I'll have to check that out and see if it's any good. But I'll just pop that off, pull the gear off, get everything cleaned up and changed over. This one's the this one is the 1275 kV. So I got that ordered. This ESC, I am going without the original ESC, guys. God, this thing stinks. Anybody that's ever had anything melt down, well, this one stinks. That's why I got it in a Ziploc bag. This definitely caught fire. There's no doubt about it. So, you know, I'm surprised. I don't know what happened there. Fuse doesn't even look like the fuse burnt. So fuse didn't pop, which that's supposed to happen to cause, you know, to stop that from burning up. But something got hot, caught fire, and they just clipped all the wires. So, but I'm not going to go with the original ESC. I'm going with the Max 6. So I'm going to convert that over, which it's just going to be a drop and glue in, guys. It's going to be pretty easy. So, but that's basically it. I just kind of wanted to give you a little update on the channel, what's going on. Let you know I'm still around, but I'm working on some projects here, and I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and I got this thing for, you won't believe how much it is. I wanted to go and have people guess in the comments how much you think I got this for, but I'm just gonna let you know now. I got this like around 150 bucks, which, you know, is a pretty good deal because the tires alone are about 150 bucks and they're brand new. You can tell they didn't even use them. Might have just went out 1 or 2 times, but everything else looks pretty good. I ordered a new screw set for this so I can go over, because some screws are missing. Some of them are stripped out. I'm gonna have to go and somehow get them out with an easy out, I guess, and see if I can get them out of there, and then hopefully get everything put back together. And everything else looks pretty good. You know, some stuff's kind of rigged up on some of this. I'll show in later videos, but like one of the sway, I think it was one of the sway bars, one of the A-arms, excuse me. One of the A-arms, I think on the front, I think it was on the front, it looked like a rear sway bar. They just provided, they must have been out bashing and that's all they had. So it looked like they put a rear A-arm on the front, which is no problem. You know, I could switch that out. The other problem is, man, this thing, God, this thing stinks too. I don't know if they burnt up this receiver, so I may be replacing the whole receiver. Because look, they got this. This is for house. You're not supposed to be using this on car electronics. You're supposed to do a clean solder and heat shrink, you know. So this is rigged up. I want to get rid of that. Servo feels like it's kind of sticking a little, but it is moving. So hopefully the servo's okay. The wires weren't burnt on it, so that's a good sign. They didn't look like they got hot, but I just don't like that they got this like that. So I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm gonna have to pull this cap off, solder it, put a heat shrink in there, put it back in there. So anyways, that's basically about it. See if we can get this thing fired up, you know. Hopefully everything will go well. It ran before when the pawn shop first got it, but they ended up I don't know what they did, to be honest with you. When I first looked at it, they wanted $468 or something like that. It ran, but the battery got hot and it bloated. So I don't know if they tried to put another battery in, hooked it up wrong, thing caught fire. I have no idea. So I'm gonna have to go and replace all this because it wasn't burnt before. So, but I got such a good deal. It'll be a pretty easy project. It's just, you know, a little time consuming, and right now a lot of the products are going up in price, you know, because not too many people are working. So anyways, I got that motor and ESC coming. We'll have to see how that goes, you guys. So all right guys, moving on. I have another project here. I mean, this is ready to run, it's ready to go, you guys, but I wanted to add my touches to it, eventually change out the tires. The body I chose, they accidentally sent me the wrong one. They sent the Range Rover, and in that process they just accidentally sent me one that was completely waterproof electronics, which is awesome, you know, so it actually saved me money. But this is a nice crawler here. This is a RST, and this one's I believe this one's R4. I forgot what model number it is now. It's been a while since I ordered it last year. Like I said, they sent me the Range Rover body. They refunded me like $45. So what I did is I ordered the Toyota Land Cruiser body that I wanted. Back when I was a kid, my father passed away when I was 12. So he had a Toyota Land Cruiser. I believe it was a 76 or 77. And it was red and had the white top. So I kind of want to try to find a plain, unpainted body. But I chose this for now. You know, maybe I can repaint it some other time. But it's just kind of a bummer, you know, that it's gray, but it'll give me something cool to mess with. But I kind of wanted to replicate his Toyota Land Cruiser, just in memory for my pops there. But yeah, this is 10 scale. It's going to be pretty fun. It's only got a little 2S lipo in there. It does have high and low gear, which is pretty nice. The transmitter's not too bad. It's pretty common, but it's actually a nice transmitter. But I'm probably going to switch that out eventually. This is one I'm just going to work on as a project and keep building up on it. But I'm going to keep that Range Rover body to do probably do my crawling in and stuff like that, so I don't tear it up, and then finally, you know, have the other body, you know, for show. So, but I'm going to have fun with it first before I start getting into more detail. But that's one of the other projects here that's going to be coming up on the channel. I haven't got to do a review on, but it is what it is. So, but I'm going to move on. Let me pause you for a second and grab something else, put it up here on the dresser. All right, guys. So I've had this guy since January, and I haven't even got a chance to review it. It's not like I forgot about it, but it was just kind of packed up, put off to the side due to my back injury. And it sat there, but it's brand new. It's the Typhon 3S brushless Arrma. So this guy here, you know, I'll be doing a review, but I'm not going to go in big time detail. It's already been out for a little while. There's a lot of great reviewers. I'll go through every single part on this, and I'm just not going to do that. Leave that long boring stuff. I'd rather get right to it and take it for a drive. I do have the battery. Let's see if I can see where the battery's at here. Okay, I'm back. So I went with the Ovonic. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I got it's not very high C discharge, but it's 50C, 5200 milliamps, and this one is a 3S battery, 11.1 volt. So I'm going to run 3S in this. You can run it in 2. As you can see, I haven't even pulled it out of the box. Everything's still there. It's a beautiful car. I can't wait to run it. I can't wait to upgrade it. So much potential with this guy, so it's going to be fun. I know a lot of guys waited and bought the 6S, which 6S is awesome too, but I'm good with this one. This is going to do what I need it to do here in my area. I don't have any tracks, so it's just going to be ran around here. So, but there's that one. right, sorry, dropped the battery there. Paused you for 1 second, but yeah, that's that. Like I said, I'll do a review soon. Transmitter's in there, Spectrum, it's running. This is the one that I'm also gonna put the Dumbo transmitter, use the Dumbo transmitter and put the receiver in there with the gyro. So that will be getting changed out here shortly. Like I was saying, I bought, I think, 3 of those receivers, so that way I can narrow it all down to one transmitter. So from what I've seen on some reviews, this Spectrum is not getting out very far. So you know, and that's not just the case for me. I'm just want to get it down to one transmitter. I'm really happy with the Dumbo RC transmitter, and I'm going to go ahead and run that receiver combo. So yeah, and that's basically it, you guys. So I'm going to go and pause you for a minute, slide this out of the way, which this is really light, you guys. So this one's actually really light. I expected it to be a lot heavier, but this one's actually really nice. I can't wait to jump it. I'm trying to find some ramps. I don't have any spot to build any because I'm in an apartment. So I went to go order some, and God, they're all sold out already. And plus two, some places ain't selling that stuff because in our area they're stopping sales of that type of products because it's not an essential. So they flagged them off and only selling the stuff that people really need. So, but that's okay. We'll get them later. Get some jumps out there. But all right, I'm gonna grab the Cross Rally, the little Ford Fiesta. So let me move this out of the way. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Last but not least, I have the Ford Fiesta. This is the Rally Cross 1/10 scale, Rockstar edition, which Horizon Hobby and Rockstar got together and they put this together here. And this was 5 years ago, guys. So this is old tech here, but still new. You know, this is brand new. Only been ran twice. Got it off another hobbyist that was going to do more to it and focused on some other RC cars, and he decided to sell it. And I got it for dirt cheap, guys, which I think these were like $3.99 or more 5 years ago when they were new. So I got it for pretty cheap. It's really clean. Tires, I mean, still got the little knobby pieces of rubber in there that you can tell it just hasn't been ran. I'm waiting for the LiPo battery. So it's a 3S that I'm getting. This can run 2 or 3S. He had a 2S battery and it was so bloated, I just told him he can go and get it disposed. I didn't want it, so got one coming from eBay. So, and some different connectors, so that way I could put a 2S of one of my other batteries, and then be able to put a 3S in here and use that 3S for other things. So transmitters feels really nice. I don't mind the DX2E. This one's not too bad, Spectrum, but I'm probably going to be changing it up, of course, again with the Dumbo RC, like I keep talking about all the time. So I'm going to go and get these guys all down to one transmitter, and then I got, you know, those other 3 receivers. So this will be one of the other cars I put that in. So, but we will check it out. If it runs pretty good on here, I might keep it like that for a little bit and then switch it out later. I just haven't decided yet, but I do have that option. But this guy's pretty clean. No scratches, no rollovers, no scuffs on the tires, and as you guys can see inside, just completely clean. It's definitely new. So I really like this car. It's a really nice car. I didn't have a battery with this adapter here. I think it's the XT30. I can't, or is, oh no, this one's the 3, God, what are these ones called? I never run these ones. The EC3s, that's what they are. It does look like the XT30, but it's not. This is the the EC3. So I do have a battery coming, and then I'm gonna put an adapter on here. That way that other 3S battery I could use for something else as well is in here. So I did the measurements, gonna fit nice. So it should be here soon, guys, and we'll do a little quick review of that and take it out for a run and do a speed run and stuff. So look forward to that here in the near future. I just kind of wanted to show you guys. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you an update, let you see what was going on here at the Big Drone Flyer 77 RC home. You know, we're just trying to stay quarantined, trying to stay safe. I hope you guys do the same. You know, find your project. You know, you guys will find something at home to do. This is what I'm doing. and I can't wait to test it out and show you guys and get some more videos out there. So I will still be doing drones. So a lot of my drone followers probably think I gave up on drones. I didn't. I still got to review the Fat Shark. This one's Bind and Fly, which I got it bound to the i6 Free Sky, or the Fly Sky. So that will be coming soon. And then yes, I have another little car. I already been thrashing a little bit, having fun with it because I'm bored. So I'm still dealing with my back injury, so I'm still at home anyways and not working at the moment. So I got this little WL Toys right here. This guy's pretty fun. I have a partial video that I did when I was down at my parents' place, so I'll probably do a little outside one you see from end of last year. This one's the L939, so but it's pretty fun. It's not a bad little two-wheel drive. It's not bad at all. Also, I got coming up is the upgrade version of the HolyStone. This is HS100 GPS drone. They upgraded the camera, you guys. So as you can see, it's not the same as the original. I didn't have the original 100, but it had that round camera. It wasn't very good. This one, you're supposed to be able to have a one-axis gimbal on it. So hopefully it's pretty good. I heard a lot of good things about it, so we'll have to check it out. Also, I was sent from Zuhafa. They sent me another drone out. You guys just seen that review. Well, it's not the same. This was the one that came out before the GPS drone, the T5. This one's the T4, so this is just altitude hold. So that'll be fun to be able to just do out in the driveway. So I'll probably do a review on that. I won't need to go to the park for that guy. So yeah, guys, I got more to do. I even got the F11 I never got to review. You know, that's a really nice drone, brushless drone. Gosh, I don't know, I still got quite a few things. The Snaptane's coming either tomorrow or the next day. It's going to be the SP550 GPS drone, so I'll be doing an unboxing, maybe a short flight, just make sure it hovers good, but I'm not going to go in full detail flight since the parks are closed. So but anyways, all right guys, appreciate you watching. Just wanted to give you a quick little update, and if you're bored, you get yourself one of these little guys. If you're at home, I'm telling you, I got to charge this guy up more because I've been playing with it, but the lights light up here and on the back when you go to reverse. So it's a fun little truck, you know. It's not proportional, it's only two-wheel drive, but it runs good and it's fast, believe it or not. I'll have to show you guys on a video sometime, you know. So but it's pretty fun. I get a kick out of this little guy. Just something to kind of keep you occupied when you're in the house. So but that's basically it. That's all I've been up to, you guys. Just wanted to let you know I'm still here and still around. We're just trying to keep busy here. Just can't wait to get this guy done and running. So all right guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys are being safe out there and having fun with your cars and drones. So all right, like always guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying and driving.